How to contact Delta Airlines Support. Hey, welcome. So today you'll be learning how to contact Delta Airlines Support. I'm sure you watch this video till the end if you don't know how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to your Delta Airlines online. Once you log into it on your PC, this is the interface that will be shown on your PC. Here at the top left corner of your screen, you see the Delta icon and the Delta logo. Then the next one you're going to see is the book option. You also see the check-in option. You see the my trips option. You see flight status option. You see travel info. You see sky miles, and you see need help. You also see sign up option. So if you've not signed up, please do so. And you see the login option and the notification option and the search option. Now you can scroll down the page to know what to have an overview of what Delta Airlines is all about. Delta Airlines is just about traveling, helping you to make your arrangement or your planning for travel online sweet and easy. So that's it. So you keep scrolling down the page to have an overview of what Delta Airlines is all about. Then at the bottom of the page, you see four sections here. You see the about Delta. So if you want to know anything about Delta Airlines, you can come here to check. Then the next one says customer service. So under customer service, we have the help center. So under this help center is where you'll be able to contact Delta Airlines Support. So you click on help center and you wait for the page to load, just like I'm waiting here, and the help center page has been loaded. Here you see that you can learn how to prepare for a travel. Here you can ask about how to manage your trip. You can also ask about the day of travel and all that. So you check any of this option to see the one that best suits your question or the problem you're facing using the website. If it's to find travel requirements, you can click on it. If it's to redeem e-credit or redeem companion certificates, you can do that. If it's to change or manage your flight or manage seats and upgrade, you can do that too. If it's to request for refund or reimbursement or whatever thing, just make sure that you go through the page very well to see the option that suits your question or your complaint. Once you see it, you click on it, then you'll be directed to a Delta Airline virtual agent that would attend to you and give you necessary information, necessary instructions that you need to follow to arrive at the answer to your question or the complaint. So I hope you find this video helpful. This is simply how to contact Delta Airlines Support. Thank you.